See, it is my pleasure to be joining this group, and the main idea of joining group is to combine our patient care with the research-oriented methodology. I've been doing, most of us have been doing infertility practice for a number of years, but we have not been trying to follow in a way that we can improve the future course of action. With the support of the group, where the technology, everything is there, we are going to have a sea change in our infertility practice, where we will be trying to see the patient, treat the patient, and public. We have to publish our what is the way we are treating. We have to publish the results so that other people can follow how to go about these changes. Dr. Fatmi is absolutely right. If geography has different issues, even in India is such a huge country, the problem in South India is different. Problem in Delhi is different. Delhi is full of pollution. The pollution they made factor there. South India they may have other factors. So we have to visualize the patient care. One size doesn't fit all. One treatment protocol from say UK or England, Belgium is not going to work in India. So we have to devise our own methodology, and that is what we hope that by joining the group, we'll devise some methodology, especially suited to India.